Breathlessness.
A cough for 3 weeks or more.
Persistent chest pain.
Have you seen or heard any of these signs?
Coughing up blood.
Weight loss.
Fatigue.
Loss of appetite.
If anybody you know has had any of these symptoms in the past 3 weeks, please speak up.
Check your lungs.
Check your lungs.
It may not be anything serious, but you're not wasting anybody's time by getting it checked out.
Whether you call your GP,
Call Access Plus.
Or visit a walk-in centre.
do it today.
Do it today.
Early detection makes everything easier to treat.
For a full list of symptoms and more information, go to checkyourlungs.co.uk.
Check your lungs.